Are you encountering the frustrating Chrome error code out of memory? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you 2 simple solutions to fix this issue and get Chrome running smoothly again. Solution 1. Try Incognito Mode 1. To enter the Incognito window, simply click the 3 dots icon at the top right corner of Google Chrome. 2. From the drop-down menu, select New Incognito Window. Solution. 2. Clear your cache and cookies. 1. Click the 3 dots icon at the top right corner of your browser and select Settings. 2. In the Settings menu, go to Privacy and Security and then select Clear Browsing Data from the right side. 3. In the Basic section, set the time range to all time and check all the listed options. Then, click Clear Data. By following these simple steps, you can easily fix the Chrome error code out of memory and enjoy a seamless browsing experience once again. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and troubleshooting guides. Until next time, happy browsing.